hungover. I didn't drink yesterday. I drove home yesterday. I'm just tired. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's chicken kitchen. I'm making chicken. Oh, it's been a rough couple days.
Why?
Because I had a girls' trip.
Because you're hungover.
I'm not hungover. I didn't drink yesterday. I drove home yesterday. I'm just tired. I was in the water, on the lake, in a boat with 10 other friends, and we had a blast. So, today I'm going to make blackened chicken, which is keto friendly. In this pan, I have about 1/4 of a stick of melted butter, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, and I minced garlic, but it got a little crispy because I got sidetracked. So, I've just salt and peppered 2 large breasts of chicken. I cut them in strips. I'm going to add them to the oil and garlic mixture and let these cook. I didn't season this side because on this side I'm going to put the blackened seasoning. So we're going to have blackened chicken. Easy peasy. These are nice, easy dishes to make for summer with salads or pasta salads or the spaghetti salad I made last week. Easy peasy. I've only seasoned that side of the chicken with just some salt, ground black pepper, and I did a little bit extra garlic powder along with the minced garlic that I already have in the pan. So these are all in. Like I said, I'm going to put the blackened seasoning on this side, and when I come back, they'll be coming out of the pan. Nice and easy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I need my TikTokers to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. My blackened chicken is ready. It's like 7-8 minutes on each side. I always cut it up in chunks. Don't ask me why. I mean, sometimes.
Why?
I don't know why. I just think that you guys portioned it out better for you guys. So here it is. Look how good that looks. Like I said, it's an easy summer dish in one pan, and you make it with a salad or pasta salad like I made last week, which I have again this week to have with this. Here, are you gonna be my taster? Or are you tasting?
Yeah.
My producer's texting right now while we're doing the show. How professional is that?
Just give you the food.
Okay.
You'll make sure I'm in camera.
Yeah, because always in these ones.
That works.
Yeah. Tell me what flavors you taste.
Chicken. I taste chicken.
Is it a little spicy?
It's good though. Yeah, it's a little kick to it.
Okay, good. Just the blackened seasoning, little can,
Told you to
salt,
just
pepper,
trip.
garlic. Huh?
Just tripped over your own feet. Drink it.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out the press conference, In the Clinch. That's really it right now, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a great week.